So we are going to Hulk smash this thing at number 9 because we have What If number 4. What if Peter Parker was possessed by the symbiote?
I love this book.
This is a really cool book. This came out in 1989. We get to see not only Peter Parker get possessed and almost completely his entire life drained from him because of wearing this symbiote, that we see Hulk become venomized for the very first time. Now, Donny Cates believes that whatever happens in What If doesn't count.
Right. Out of continuity, throw it out.
Yeah, never happened. Wash your hands clean of it. But we're seeing that collectors don't agree with that. We have seen an increase of sales on this book of 460% in a week.
It's crazy.
So clearly people care.
This book's going for $18 average sale. And we saw a recent 9.6 hit what, Jeff?
$75.
On a What If book that no one really cares about.
Exactly. And not only did Hulk get venomized, but we actually saw Thor get venomized as well, which would probably be his very first time being venomized. And if you go to issue Quasar 30 in 1991, we see the very first cover appearance of a venomized character. And again, it's Thor.
And this is actually in continuity and a very affordable book. You can find this for like $10. Search your LCS. I mean, everyone loves these venomized covers. And for an affordable one, this is one to grab.